Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Honeywell Type-C Ultra dock and that your handheld has a USB-C receptacle. Once done, connect the supplied power adapter to the dock. Use a 5V/3A USB-C PD source if replacing the adapter. Make sure the dock's LEDs light. That indicates power. Next, set the device into the cradle, aligning the charging contacts and latch so the connector seats cleanly. Don't force it. Gentle pressure ensures the Type-C pins engage and charging begins. Once the device is seated, verify the LED pattern to determine dock status. Steady indicates charging, blinking can mean firmware or update mode. Next, connect the dock's data port to your host computer or network. Use the USB-C data cable or the Ethernet adapter if available, so the terminal can exchange configuration. Then, on the handheld, open settings to confirm pairing or comms. Enable USB data, set serial baud if required, and validate the scan trigger behavior. These steps, to finish, perform a functional test. Scan multiple barcodes and confirm they appear in the host application. If charging fails, remove and reseat the device, clean contacts with a dry, lint-free cloth, and try a different USB-C cable or power brick. Make sure you're using rated power. If the dock or device behaves erratically, enter the dock's firmware update mode and apply official Honeywell firmware via the host connection. One key troubleshooting tip: if LEDs show unexpected codes, power cycle both dock and handheld before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.